Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 17T and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So I imagine that you will need this tutorial if for some reason you've accidentally changed the language and you have no idea what to do, or your child was using your phone and it also changed the language somehow. So I'll try to make it as slow and as descriptive as possible, but obviously feel free to just stop the video and follow the steps. So the first thing you need to do is to localize the settings, and if you do not remember, the settings have the gear icon, so it looks like it. So it depends. In my case, it is right here in those, favorites. But in your case, it could be on for example, this home page, on one of the pages, depending whether you've got the classic option or the drawer one, because you can also have it somewhere here. So just find the settings and tap on them. Just ignore everything that I'm doing right now because we need to be in the general settings, so the menu with those icons. You can start at the top, but all you need to do is to scroll all the way down. You can do it kind of fastly because we need to find additional settings, which are right here. So you need to find this 3 dots icon. It is also the third option from the bottom, so just tap on it. Now, after tapping, you need to tap on the second option, which is languages and input. So tap. And now, first option, languages. And fortunately, in this device, we will be immediately transferred to the list from which we can choose the language directly. So it is great. All you need to do is to just scroll and find the language that you'd like to apply. I'll pick this one and tap on it. As you can see, your device will immediately take this option, so you can also check whether it was applied and go back. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me quickly do it again. So tap on the first option. Let me find English, tap on it, and it will be, it will be immediately applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.